I'm gonna show you what we installed in this truck to make it a thief's worst nightmare. We installed our tamper-proof Compustar Alarm, IGLA to make sure that this car does not move, and we installed a dash camera that can be tapped in remotely. Let me show you exactly how this works. So here is our drone app. You can see you have your dash camera settings, which we will get into. You have your control settings, remote start, lock, unlock. You have location of where your truck is. You could add users to this product. You could check your battery voltage, the status to see if any of the doors are open, if any alarms are being triggered. You could check the temperature of your vehicle. You could also set maintenance reminders. So if you know you need to do an oil change every 3,000 kilometers, miles, whatever, you could change that as well. So let's get into the controls. So here you can remotely lock your vehicle. You could unlock it. And then you can remote start it. As you see, you get a notification that your vehicle has remote started successfully. And then you have a run timer there to let you know how much time you have until your vehicle shuts down again. Let's go ahead and shut down the vehicle. And then you have your remote stop success notification on there as well. It has a glass break sensor, a tilt sensor to indicate if your vehicle is being towed away, and an impact sensor. Let's go over the impact sensor. So right away, you're gonna get notified on the drone app that alarm is being going off. Inside, the dash camera is also going off. It's an interior siren, which we'll go into more just now. We tapped unlock, and that disarmed the system. Your alarm is going off. You may not be around your truck. What if your truck is in a shopping center and you're on the other cross of the mall? Take a look at this. Now we could tap into the dash camera that we installed, and now we can see live footage of the dash camera that we installed here to see if there's anything else going on with the vehicle. You could take a photo of the thief that's trying to be all smart. If you set the panic off, take a look at this. Now let's get into the tilt sensor. We placed a jack under this truck to imitate as if this vehicle is being lifted up and getting hauled onto a tow truck. Alarm has been triggered by the tilt sensor. The dash camera that we installed is going off as your interior alarm while your exterior alarm is going off. So let's go ahead and open up the app. Let's tap front camera. Let's do a live view again. I want to see where this thief is at. Or you know what? Maybe it was a false alarm. So we're going to end the live view, click unlock, and it disarms the vehicle. This is going to keep you connected to your vehicle, guys, 24/7, no matter where you are. If you're with your truck or your vehicle at all, it doesn't matter. Now, the last one is the glass sensor. We're not gonna break these windows to figure out if that works or not. We just know that it works. It's a Compustar system, and I honestly trust it. It is bad. All right, now let's get into the other features of this tamper-proof Compustar alarm that we've installed. So of course you have your controls. You also have your location. So if you click on here, it's going to take you to the exact location of our current address. You can also add users. So if you have a wife or a loved one or someone else wants to have access to this app, you can share access to them. If you park your vehicle for a long period of time and you're worried if your battery is going to die, it'll show you the voltage here, and it'll also warn you if your vehicle is getting dangerously low, so you can go check on it. It shows you the status of the vehicle. So right now the doors are unlocked, but if I hit controls and I hit lock, the doors lock. But also if I go to the status, it now says locked and armed and everything is closed. You can check the temperature inside your vehicle. And then there's just so much other features. Here is where you can see all the different activities that happen with your dash camera. You can see a feed of all of the full report of selected amount of days on what has been going on with your vehicle. You could also check the trips, history of your vehicle. If you go into the settings, you could play around with so much other features as well. Stuff like geofencing. So if you know your truck does not leave your house between 10 p.m. and 10 a.m., then you can set a geofence around the perimeter of your house. So if whatever reason the alarm doesn't work, but it does exit the perimeter of your house during that period of time, you're gonna get notified right away. Let's say all of these safety features fail. Well, you're not gonna get past this one. We also integrated IGLA into our alarm system here. So again, if all of our alarm features fail, you're not gonna get past this, and let me show you how it works. So if you press on the foot brake, push start button, the truck starts right up. Now let's shift out of gear to put it into drive. But this lever is locked. My foot is on the foot brake. This lever is not going anywhere. The reason for this is because IGLA has locked this shifter until we put our secret pin code in here. We've entered in a temporary code to show you guys how this works. I'll enter that in now. Pay attention to the dash, it's gonna flash. That means the code has been entered in successfully. If I put my foot on the foot brake, move into drive, I can drive this truck now, no problem. There is a ton more extra safety features on how this product works. I suggest you give us a call, stop by our shop. We'll demonstrate this all to you so you have a full understanding of how this works. This is by far the best security system you could get. It's gonna make sure your vehicle is not messed with. It's gonna make sure your vehicle stays on your driveway. It's gonna make sure you're connected to your vehicle at all times and have a live visual feed into your car no matter where you are in the world and no matter where your truck is in the world. Fill out the contact form and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Thanks for watching, guys.